What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. So I thought I would give you guys an update on this campaign here and just show you guys a way that you can make an extra $100 per day using just your phone. So that's why we're not recording on the screen. On the computer screen or anything along this line. I'm going to show you guys literally just from the phone how you can make an extra $100 per day. Now, for the people who haven't been around for a while, we started this campaign 3 months ago with $300. And then, as you can see, we're at $9,182. So it didn't happen overnight or anything along those lines. So I don't want to try to hype you up or anything like that. Like, this does take work. This isn't some fairy tale push button magical software. You're not going to be a millionaire tomorrow. You're probably not going to make $1,000 tomorrow. Like, if you're putting in $300, you got to have realistic expectations. $300 is not a lot of money, when it comes to investing and stuff. So you got to basically build it up. Now, that said, you could find something that's, let's say you go to the Goodwill and you find a unicorn your very first time or the first few times you're going out or whatever the case may be. That is possible, but don't count on it. Go with something that's realistic. Let's say a couple $100, in the first 2 weeks or something. Like, have realistic goals. Be very picky as well when you're first starting, because if you're playing with a small budget, again, you don't want to have products that's going to just sit there. You want things that's going to sell right away. All right. Now, obviously, I would go way more in depth or whatnot, but I've had people that pay for this stuff, and people who are gonna ask, "Oh, what are you selling?" and all that stuff. Obviously, I'm not gonna give that out in this video here because I would just be creating competition for myself. If you want my training on how I do stuff like this, it's open. All my training for e-commerce is in boxmoney.net. That simple. All right, but let's just jump right into this here. So first things first, let's go over here to offer up, then jump over to Macari. So I just got PS4 pulled up here as an example, right? So we're on Macari and we're on offer up. So literally all you have to do is just, do this. Okay. Let's say we saw Spider-Man over here, right? Then we would look at it over here. Okay, that's selling for 24 bucks. Let's say they had it over for $5 on Macari or vice versa. That's all you got to do. That's it. You just scroll down and you just look and see what's selling. You scroll down over here, you look and see what's for sale. All right. Now, when it comes to Macari, go to the sold section. Don't go for sale. Go for stuff that's already been sold, so that way you can see what is selling around. So you see right here, the PlayStation 4 Pro is selling, like, if we went off this two right here, between 220 and 250. So we would have to get that for about 120 for us to really make any money off of that, because after shipping and fees and all that stuff, unless you're going to charge them for shipping, of course. All right. But yeah, you see like this right here, right? This is one of those little driving wheels. So let's say we saw that over here for like 50 bucks, boom, right? But that's literally all you got to do. We just start scrolling. All right. Let's see how much they're selling this one for since it's promoted. 400. Nope. All right. Also, don't be afraid to just simply message people and be like, "Hey, I'll give you $1.25." Like, the worst case they can say is no. Like, or they just don't reply because you lowballed them. It don't matter. But some people legit they'll do it. Now you see this one right here. What is this? Is this a regular PS4? Yeah, that's the regular PS4. We could have shot them like, oh wait, they had some games with it. But either way, we could have shot them like 115, 120. Just see what they say. This dude right here, as you can see, he already dropped the price from 250 to 220. We can go again, be like, hey, I'll give you for those. Let's say I hit Buddy stupid low, like 110. Like I said, the worst thing they can say is no. Like, most people over here know they're not going to get the price that they have set up anyway. They just have it, higher. So then the person comes lower, then it's most likely going to be around where they're at. I just lowball people. And if you lowball 100 people a day and 10 people say yes, you just made money. Like, that's it. People put stuff on here all day long. And then just don't be disrespectful. If they say no, that's too low or something like that. But okay, well, if you change your mind, I'm here. That's it. Just leave the ball in their court. Because, believe it or not, after, 2, 3, 4, 5 days go by, then that's it right there. Now, this dude right here, he's doing Cash App or Venmo only. I made a whole video on why it's very hard for people to get for people to get sales and stuff when they try to do that. Like, I made a video showing you guys how to get sales and stuff like that when it comes to getting Cash App or whatnot. But you really got to have, like, everything has to be perfect. Everything has to be aligned, like, when it comes to that. But if you're going to be doing that, I just imagine that you're drop shipping. And I already made a whole video as well on why I don't drop ship. So, yeah. Let's see. Nah, you can get BioShock for like $5-10 brand new these days. Horizon Dawn is like $15 at Walmart. After the NBA series, like once that like goes a year behind, they're dead instantly. So yeah, this wouldn't be anywhere near worth $60. I'd shoot Buddy something stupid low, like $15-20. I would have shot dude like 100. And that's legit. Like all I would do. Like we see the PS4 controller and games. Oh, my fault. You guys probably couldn't even see that. For 100, nah, I would have shot Buddy like maybe 40. I'm telling you guys, that's legit. All you gotta do is just go down and just sit and just see what people selling stuff for. And then you just come over here to Macari and oh wow, that's pretty smooth. Oh no, I think there's like one newer one out than that. But yeah, this is it. Legit. You guys see what I'm doing right here? This is literally all I do for this type of stuff right here. Now, when it comes to wholesaling and buying lots and stuff, that's completely different. But this right here, this is super beginner friendly. Literally anybody can do this. And it doesn't just have to be buying from OfferUp to sell on Macari. You can buy on Macari, sell on OfferUp or Let Go or wherever it is you want to sell. Like you can do your own website, wherever. All right. If you're a Macari, if you're a Box Money member, again, you guys already know about building an entire website and just like really turning this into a business and stuff. But yeah, that is pretty much it in a nutshell, guys. You can literally make an easy $100 per day just doing this right here. You scroll down, see what's selling over here, then you search it over here and see, what people are selling it for. Let's say these were a bundle of games, right? So this dude want $210 or $15 each. He done lost his rabbit ass mind. There ain't any games literally in that entire list that cost $15 or more. You can get this for probably like $12 at GameStop. Advanced Warfare, that's been out for what, like 2 years now? That's just probably like $13. So yeah, and then all of these right here, trash. So that's might be like $1, $2 or $3, and you couldn't even sell those. So I don't know what the hell. Like some people on here just be having shit up there, like just to be up there. I don't know. That shit will never sell. But yeah. Guys, you got to also know your category as well. That's a huge thing because if you don't know your category, legit, like you will buy stuff that other people are not going to buy. Like you might think you're going to get a fantastic deal, but like if you don't know what you're doing, legit, you are going to get scammed. It's just that simple. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. Like I said, plenty of money to be made, literally just selling stuff on this little app or whatnot. Let's see if we can see something else over here. See what they're doing for the Xbox. Alrighty. Oh, so that's not bad. That one sold for the $340, but that's like limited edition. Probably not a limited edition, but I think that's like Gears Award one. I'm not on the Xbox. I got like 3 of them, but I really don't fuck with Xbox. If I'm being perfectly honest, we team Sony out here. But that controller is nice though. It fits real nice in the hand. That controller right there, I fucks with you. $30. That's another thing that sell really good too is controllers. So look at this right here. Oh no, that's that read description. Anytime it's read description, I don't fuck with it because you gotta repair it. Well, if you do repairs, you fine, but I don't do repairs. That don't even look like it. Oh, okay, never mind. Oh, this is also a good place to buy little, what the hell, these little bubble wrap mail thingies, little mail slips or whatnot. Those work really well. Naruto stuff sell pretty well as well. I sold one of the games today for 18 bucks. Bought it from Walmart for 3 cents. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. You get the point. You see what I'm doing. This is an easy way to make 100 bucks a day. It does take a little bit of work. You know, you are going to basically have to get on your phone and basically do some work here. So you see, you know, you just go like this and you just scroll on each side, and that's it. You go on offer up, you know, to see what it's selling for on Mercari or vice versa, and that's it. Very simple process. Easy money to be made.